What's up guys, welcome back to another budgie love video, and today I've got the video that I said I will make. So this is a video of me waking up my budgies. So I'm just going to take the blanket off and then you can see what my budgies are doing. So it's almost 11 o'clock AM, so you can see what they're doing. Here they are. They're wide awake. And hopefully they're gonna make some noise, because in the morning they do make some noise. I'm just gonna take it up with this. Get all my budgies. Got Sky up there. There's Cuckoo here. There's Fiona in the background. There's Fluffy over here. And I don't think you can see, but there's Lady Blue here and Fluffy slowly over here. Where's Tiki? Tiki and Chico at the background over there. So that's them waking up. This is what they really actually do, just make some noise. Hello? Hello? So yeah, so if you saw the last video of me getting used to the toy, you probably have noticed that Cuckoo almost flew away. Because if you've not noticed, please go to the other video and watch, because he almost flew away from the house, because I was trying to put the milk in here and he jumped out here. And if you notice, in the background the whole window was open from here. But Cuckoo's such a good boy, he only stayed on the landing perch, so he didn't fly away. And he came on my finger when I told him to, and he went back down. So that was a really good thing. Cuckoo almost flew away. So yeah, this is the video of me looking at my budgies. They're all happy and they're woken up. They did this thing with the toy. So that's the video. So hopefully you like this video. And I'll see you guys in another cool video. Like, comment, and hit the subscribe button, and tell me some good ideas of what kind of videos you want me to make. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!